Okay, we will now move on for some strategies to answer matching sentence endings questions. Let's look over the basic information for this question type. So the matching sentence endings is a less common question, but it's useful to be familiar with it just in case it does appear in your IELTS reading test. You will be given a list of incomplete sentences and a list of possible endings. There will be more possible endings than you need, so you only need to use the ones that fit. You'll need to match the incomplete sentences together with your knowledge from the reading passage, and that's very important that you use your knowledge from the reading passage, and I'm going to show you why now. So here is a short example of a matching sentence ending question. Here we have questions 7 to 8, but usually there'll be 4 questions or possibly more. You can see that below the instructions in this question are 2 numbers, 7 and 8, and these are the first parts of your sentence. They need to be matched to the sentence ending below. I've given the example of 2 starts and 4 endings, but when it comes to your IELTS reading test, you'll have more questions and sentence options than this. What I'd like you to do is try and pair these sentences together without the passage and see if it's possible. I'll give you a short amount of time to look at doing that now, but you can also pause the video if you'd like to spend more time doing it. Okay, as I'm sure you can see, it's fairly difficult to do without using the passage. So when it comes to you completing this question type, don't try and match them logically, as the chances are you'll get it wrong. Let's take a look at this example question with the passage. So I will give you some time to read through the passage now, and also read through the questions and the sentences that aren't matched. So here are your answers. 7 matches with A. Apart from huge risks later in life, children immediately suffer from a variety of respiratory problems. That matches with the second sentence in the passage. And question number 8 matches with C. Eating habits in developed countries around the world have increased the percentage of overweight children. That matches with the third sentence in the passage. So now let's have a look at the exact strategy for answering the matching sentence ending question type. Of course, read the instructions very carefully and check which question it is. Then we can apply the right strategy. Read the first half sentences first, underline key words. Then skim and scan the passage, looking out for common shared synonyms with the first half sentences. Check information against the first part of the sentence. In other words, see if your matching sentence matches some of the information in the passage. Then check your answers. So here are the exact instructions for the strategies for this question type. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at matching headings. See you there.